Did Donald Trump Jr. plagiarize part of his Republican National Convention speech the day after his stepmother was accused of doing so?
Our schools used to be an elevator to the middle class. Now they're stalled on the ground floor. They're like Soviet-era department stores that are run for the benefit of the clerks and not the customers.
It didn't take long for Twitter users to realize that sounded a lot like an article by F.H. Buckley, published just a few months ago. Social media was on high alert already, considering how extremely close the wording of Melania Trump's speech on Monday was to First Lady Michelle Obama's in 2008. But accusations against Trump Jr. fell by the wayside with one cryptic tweet by Buckley. The law professor then told multiple outlets that he was actually the principal speechwriter for Trump Jr. and that it was not an issue. The line Trump Jr. used in his speech summed up the biggest issue for Buckley in this election, not economic inequality per se, but a lack of upward mobility. In his essay, Buckley wrote, "That anger at the class society we have become explains the rise of Donald Trump." What's interesting is the next paragraph after the one Trump Jr. borrowed from argues America's immigration system is broken. Buckley said the country is actually missing out on better upward mobility by the kind of immigrants it's keeping out. Though Donald Trump Sr.'s immigration plan is more nuanced than building a wall, the issue is one of his most controversial. For Newsy, I'm Ryan Beek.